We'll guide you through how to change your Gmail sync settings on your computer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to mail.google.com to access your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon in the upper right corner and click on it to open the Quick Settings menu. From there, click on See All Settings to access the full settings menu. Now, navigate to the Accounts and Import tab. Here, you can manage various settings related to your email accounts. For sync settings, you might need to check under the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. Scroll down to the IMAP Access section. Make sure IMAP is enabled if you want your emails to sync across multiple devices. You can also adjust settings for POP download if you prefer using this method. For more advanced sync settings, you might need to configure your email client or app with the appropriate server settings. Remember that changes here will affect how your emails sync, so adjust them according to your preferences. Also, keep in mind that if you're using an email client like Outlook or Thunderbird, you'll need to ensure they're set up correctly to sync with Gmail. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes to apply your new settings. This will ensure that your sync preferences are updated. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.